Permanent Secretary for Harare Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Cosmas Chiringa, who died after suffering heart failure, has been declared a national hero. Zinapenda mashikobranyi kwa pangwana chinzi. Comrade Chiringa, declared national hero. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita mnamobranyi kwa mchinzi. Chiringa passed away at West End Hospital in Harare on Monday. He was 67. Zambia's Secretary for Education, Ideology and Research, and the Minister of State for Harare Metropolitan Province, Charles Tawengwa, announced the hero status to the Chiringa family at their home in Newlands suburb on Monday night. After consultations with the political members, President Mnangagwa, who is the first secretary of the party, has conferred national hero status on the late Comrade Chiringa, said Tawengwa. He described the late Chiringa as a distinguished public servant and nation builder who served the country with dedication. Family members also expressed gratitude to the government for recognizing his contribution. His daughter, Udakwashe Chiringa, thanked President Mnangagwa and the Zambian leadership for conferring national hero status on her father. In quotes, "We appreciate the conferment of national hero status on our father. As a family, we are grateful that his contribution to the development of Zimbabwe has been recognized," she said. Cosmas Chiringa was born on December 10, 1960. He was survived by his wife, 4 children and 6 grandchildren. Burial arrangements are yet to be announced. Mourners are gathered at number 32 Victoria Road, Newlands, Harare. Tuma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe pamusoro pedeclaration yaitiwa yenational hero status kuna Comrade Chiringa. Pena comment section menu za funguro emo tukipa msebe chitu ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.